Here I have iPad Pro 11 2020, and let me show you how to accomplish here jailbreaking. So let me show you how to jailbreak the newest Apple devices, so the newest iPhones and the newest iPads. At the very beginning you need to use your iPad. Let's choose settings, select here general and tap about. Let's make sure that you've got appropriate software version. So in my case everything is alright, I've got 13.5, so that's appropriate version for the jailbreak. You can have this one or the older one to use this method. And let's also make sure that you've got the Wi-Fi connection. Here I have my Wi-Fi connection, and let's make sure that you've got the Apple ID connected to your device. So in my case everything is alright. Now you can use the following tutorial from HardReset.Info, and here you can download a few things: the iTunes software, Alt server and iCloud for Windows. Let's download those three things, then let's of course install them. I've done this before, so let me just show you. Here I have got the Alt installer. You need to unpack it first and then install by using this app. Let's also install the iCloud setup and also of course the iTunes. So if you've got everything installed, let's just open the iTunes. Here I have iTunes. Connect your device by using USB-C cable. Let's tap trust here. Here let's tap continue. Now let's use the taskbar to find the Alt server. Here I have Alt server. If you can't find the Alt server here, let's just find the Alt server to run this, and then you can use this from the taskbar. Use the right click or the left click and choose install to the iPad. Alright, here you need to enter the Apple ID, the same one that you've got on your device, so let me do it. Right, if you're ready, let's tap install. Wait a few seconds until the installation will be complete. And you can also open the settings. Here let's choose general, and here you have to wait for the device management. It should be located other than VPN. Wait a few seconds. Here I need to tap OK to stop working the Alt server on the another device. Alright, and here, as you can see, here I have the device management, so everything is alright. Let's just tap it. Let's tap on the following icon with your Apple ID and tap trust. Tap trust again right here. And now you need to open the Safari, and let's use the following website, uncover.dev, but uncover with the 0. Here I have this website. Let's just tap go, and let's use the most advanced jailbreak tool right here. Tap download button, tap download again. Here we've got the progress bar. Let's just use the downloads. Let's open the Uncover, use this icon right here, and here let's tap copy to Alt Store. Alright, tap here allow. Here you need to enter the Apple ID. Let me do it. Let me just do it. Let's wait a few seconds. Alright. Now let's just tap go. Tap got it. Wait a few seconds. Alright, so let's just close this. Now let's go to the settings and let's activate the airplane mode. Here I have the airplane. And then let's find the uncover. Here I have uncover. And let's tap jailbreak. Device is jailbreaking. Okay, let me close this window. Tap OK. The device is rebooting. Alright, let's find the jailbreak. As you can see, the Cydia pops up. Here I have Cydia. You can also tap uncover and tap re-jailbreak just to be sure that everything is correct. It should go smooth right now. Tap OK, just to make sure that you can do it twice. Alright, let's unlock the phone. Cydia is right here. Now you can also disable the airplane mode, and you can now open the Cydia and you can use the following applications. So everything went well. You just jailbreak the newest Apple device, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.